Hello friends! Today we are going to learn 20 names of crawling animals. They creep, they crawl, they wiggle. Let's learn their names together.
Let's go!
This is a snake. It slithers on the ground. This is a lizard. It runs on 4 tiny legs. This is a turtle. It carries a shell on its back. This is a crab. It crawls sideways with claws. This is a snail. It moves slowly with its shell. This is a caterpillar. It wiggles on leaves. This is a spider. It crawls and makes webs. This is an ant. It is tiny and very busy. This is a scorpion. It crawls with a stinger tail. This is a beetle. It crawls with hard wings. This is a centipede. It has many little legs. This is a worm. It crawls under the soil. This is a crocodile. It crawls slowly on land. This is a frog. It crawls and also jumps. This is a gecko. It sticks and crawls on walls. This is a lobster. It crawls in the sea with claws. This is a hermit crab. It crawls with a shell home. This is a Komodo dragon. It is a giant crawling lizard. This is an iguana. It crawls with a long tail. This is a salamander. It crawls and loves water. Yay! You did it! You learned 20 crawling animal names today. Crawling animals are amazing. Some are tiny, some are big, and all of them love to crawl. Let's say goodbye to our crawling friends with a wiggle, wiggle, wave. Bye-bye, crawlers.